First I open my Illustrator and open my drawing file. Now, I make a circle shape. Then this shape, remove and stroke it. This copy and some twact. Then this copy. Now this select and use a shape builder tool. Then use a line segment tool. Then this corner, some twact. Now you use a pen tool. Then it's 4. Then this color selection for its. Now it's some modified. Now use a pen tool. Remove its. Some its. Now it's. Now, color selection. Again, use a pen tool. Now, make a circle. Select a use a shape builder tool. This some stroke it. Now use a pen tool. It's okay? Then I take circle. Then it's copy. Again it copy. Then this select and use a shape builder tool. Now, this color selection. Now, this color. Select. Now, make a circle. Then use a shape builder tool. Then again, take. Again, it's. Again, it's. And again it's. Now it copy and select red color. It's some cut. Now it's take for logo. Oh, it's look beautiful. Now, make a star shape. And its many copy. Now circle. Now, color selection. Now take for its. Now this text, some modified. Now use a pen tool. And its. Now its. And its. And its. Now its. Now its. Now its. Now its. Okay, it is perfect. Some stroke its. Oh, it's some problem. Oh, this 3D look. This mini text some rounded. Okay, the video is end, so please subscribe my channel. Bye.